Hi friends, good morning. Today I am putting a mathematical models. That means you can say this model is related to Cambridge University, and on Cambridge University two scholars are represented these models, and these models are maybe represented are inactive in India. This is related to coronavirus lockdown. You see on my topics. So what is going on? You can see in this figure. Friends, first of all, you know some fact about these mathematical models. This is ideal mathematical models, and these models are put by Indian origin Cambridge University scholars, and these scholars are predicted today these 21st days lockdown. This is not enough to control the spread of COVID-19. So another way or another graph to put in front of Indian governments to apply this lockdown process, and it's having some importance point. First point is, notice here you, first point is 21 days lockdown not enough to contain spread of COVID-19 in India. And second points, more days of lockdown may be necessary to bring down the rate of infections. This model having third point is Cambridge model. That means you can say the mathematical models has been devised. That means it give advice to Indian governments to put lockdown in process. So these models are putting on the basis of some calculations. The COVID-19 in India is spreads differently other than China where COVID-19 originated, and Italy, the worst affected country in the world, and India having differently COVID-19 is spreaded. So this model compares case data, age distribution and social structures of India. China and Italy was uses other models. So you see here these models, what is represented, y axis is so infected individuals, that means this y axis shows the infected persons, and x axis having date, that means days. You see here 4 March started graph, 4 March, 18 March till 10 June. So this is the data, factual data, and these lines shows, that means this graph shows forecasting data. This is forecasting data you notice here, and this is factual data, and India having 21st days lockdown. So you see friends, first increases infected person, and when lockdown start then it decreases to here, and if lockdown is open, that means lockdowns are opened, then these infected persons are more dangerous increasing. These infected persons are increasing about more than 6 times, and 27 death are maybe happen. This is a forecast data. So this is lockdown of 21 days, and some other graphs are put by some Indian origin scientist named Rajesh and R.Adhikari. These two scholars predicted these two models, mathematical models. First model saying that this is also infected person, and this is date you see here 4 March, 18 March until 10 June. In first predictions, this model is saying that if 21st days lockdown are preceded consecutive 5 days opens, that means here you having 5 days open, India's open, lockdown are opens. So if 21st days apply lockdown, then these infected persons are decreases like that, and when lockdown are open, then these data are also increases like this. Then second one is 28 days lockdown, then also infections is decreases, and when 5 days are resting, then this increases here, and then 18 days lockdown. So total this process is, the first model is saying that 21 days lockdown, 5 days open, 28 days lockdown, 5 days open, and then 18 days lockdown. Other process is putting here second models direct, that means direct, if India having direct 49 days lockdown, then it controlled by 13 May. If India direct consecutive lockdown 49 days, then it having controlled in 13 days, and if breaking some intervals are taking 5 days 5 days, then these extractions are controlled in 10 June. So these having more time models, these models having more time, but these model having less time, 13 May and 10 June. So it is all about. Thank you.